This is the Python code automatically generated when we run the Blocky program to solve the approaching an alien challenge. Let's take a look to see if we can improve this a bit. Firstly, we've got the speed command 60 twice. We don't need that twice, so we can eliminate one of those. We then send our robot forward with both motors to a speed of 60 for 1 second. We then stop the motors. We start again with a speed of 60 go forward for 1 second and stop the motors again. Now, we don't need to stop the motors and start them again. We can delete that and make that 2 seconds. So it now starts with a speed of 60, goes for 2 seconds forward and then stops. It then stops doing nothing for a period of 1 second, goes backwards with a speed of minus speed, which is minus 60, and again we don't need all of those commands. We can delete those and make that sleep 2, and it now goes back minus 60 for 2 seconds and finishes. And so we can then clean up a couple of spare lines, perhaps leave one line between that, and we've now got a program of 12 lines, which is substantially shorter than the program which was produced by Python. Now, this is a tiny program. You can imagine the sort of savings we'd have if the Blocky program was a really large one. So the big advantage with Python is it's efficient in terms of the Raspberry Pi computer inside the Fusion robot.